Alright, so these are the last 3 questions under the trigonometric substitution. But this time around, I would like you people to try them first. And afterward, we will compare the answer. Alright, so pause this video and try of your own. I will give you about 10 minutes for these 3 questions. Ready? Okay. 10 minutes from now. So we compare answer, starting with the trigo substitution, the correct trigo that you are to choose, and then you are to change the boundary as well, M1, and then you are to substitute everything in terms of the theta and simplify. So here we have an identity, secant square theta minus 1 becomes tangent, tangent times tangent, tangent square, you have to get that. And after that, you are to use identity, tangent square is secant square minus 1, and you can, in order to integrate, you can separate them such that integral of the secant square is tangent. Okay, so there's the answer there, and plug in into the boundary that you've had the earlier, and that will be your simplified answer. Okay, so that is question 4. So compare question number 5. We have to do the completing square until you can get this format and choose the appropriate, the correct trigo function and differentiate and substitute everything in terms of the theta. This is indefinite integral. Okay, so after that you are to use an identity, tangent square theta plus 1 is secant square, and simplify, and hence that is the answer in terms of the theta, and replace that in terms of the x. So altogether, you can carry 6 marks. Okay, last but not least, question number 6. This is quite a long solution there. You have to reformat. Okay, there's a solution there until you can get in terms of this form. From there, you can recognize the appropriate trigo as 1 in a format of square root there. And then we differentiate, and then we are to change the boundary. I will scroll up after this until you can get to this form. Okay, as you change it, you need to use an identity there, cosine square This 1 minus sine square is cosine square. And simplify. Okay, let me scroll out. Did you get this? So this is a method to solve for that double angle by simple use substitution, and then that will be the answer in terms of theta, and then we change the boundary, upper boundary minus lower boundary, and the final answer will be pi on 6. Alright, so this question I give 10 marks for them. Alright, so don't stop there. Make sure that you have enough exercise for this question. Okay, that's it under chapter 4.7. Thank you.